Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make the Mediterranean Italian salad. Let's see what we will put on the salad. First we have Arugula and GEMP lettuce, lollo rosso, julienne carrot, onion ring, radish, avocado slice, pomegranate seed, cherry tomato and tomato flour, roasted pine seed, pesto sauce and baby mozzarella. First we are putting GMP lettuce, then we will put the arugula, we put now pesto sauce some. My last video of pesto, so you can see that video because some under doubt. We have put the cherry tomato, we have red and yellow both. Onion rings, red radish, and julienne cut carrot, and rosso for garnishing. And we'll put now sliced avocado, baby mozzarella, tomato flour for garnishing, pomegranate seed you put in the top, and roasted pine seed. Almost done our salad. We put some pesto sauce in the top. This salad you can make your home also, get together, and very easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you for another new video. Take care, bye bye.